Hi, this is Matt Bernstein with Low Cost Hustle, and today you're going to learn about the About Me widget that you can see on the right-hand side of your WordPress website. In this case, it says About Matt Bernstein, a picture of myself, and it says Matt is the founder of Low Cost Hustle, the top e-commerce and investing blog. Life is about learning, and a great education should be easily accessible for a low cost. You're going to learn how to replicate this on your own WordPress website today. And as you can guess from the WordPress dashboard, you're going to need to go to Appearance and then click on Widgets. And your screen should look something like this. And from your available widgets, drag and drop the About Me into your sidebar. So the title, I decided to call it About Matt Bernstein instead of About Me. Just because when new visitors go to your website, they don't know who me is. They don't know who Matt Bernstein is either, but at least they can put a name to the face. And when you say your name, your full name, there's a feeling of importance that comes with that. Upload a nice photo of yourself. I recommend paying a friend to take professional pictures of you. I paid my friend $120. And then description area. Say a sentence or two about yourself summing up your website. Matt is the founder of Low Cost Hustle, the top e-commerce and investing blog. Life is about learning, and education should be easily accessible for a low cost. Once you're done with that, click Save, and you've just learned how to put the About Me widget on your website. Thank you so much for listening. This is Matt Bernstein with Low Cost Hustle.